After cruising at least 4 times a year, repositioning cruises, cruises to Alaska, the Mexican Riviera, and the Caribbean, I've learned that the difference between a good cruise and a great cruise can come down to 9 little things that people often forget or don't even know to pack. And I'm not talking about the obvious stuff like passports and phone chargers. I'm talking about some game-changing items that will solve real problems that you'll face on any cruise. First up, motion detector nightlight. Why is this good? If you have an inside cabin or an ocean view cabin, it gets dark, like can't see your hand in front of your face dark. So having this nightlight in your cabin will help you navigate when it's the nighttime and you have to go to the bathroom. This base is magnetic, which is great because cabin walls are metal, so it will magnet to the wall, and you can position this any way that you want to light your way to the bathroom. We used it one year. We put it right on the ceiling because there was no light like in the ceiling right outside the bathroom, and it helped us even light the closet. Item number 2 is ginger chews. Why ginger chews? Ginger is a natural way to settle your stomach. So at the first sign of any tummy trouble, you'll want to go ahead and chew on one of these, and that will help settle your stomach without having to be drowsy from Dramamine or Bonine. So I keep a package of these in my purse and I keep them in the cabin. That way, anybody gets a little bit seasick feeling, I just give them one of these. Item number 3 is a first aid kit. I ordered this one on Amazon. I'm going to put a link in the description and pinned in the comments with everything from this video. This one has a lot in it, some things that you might not need, but that's okay because then you can take them out and leave room for things you do want. So for example, in here, there's a medical blanket. You're not going to need a medical blanket on a cruise, but what's nice is that will save up room for things like Advil or some other painkiller. You might want to bring some Tums just in case you have tummy trouble. And then it's all in one small compartment. You might even put some of those ginger chews right in there so that you have it for every cruise. Item number 4, this could really be a game changer for your cruise. And this is a dental repair kit. You lose a crown after biting a crusty roll, or you leave a filling in an apple. Now you'll be able to fix your teeth just to get you home using the same cement your dentist uses. You may not know it, but there are no dentists on a cruise ship. So if something like you lose a crown, you're kind of stuck. So just having this will help you. And there's also pain relief in there as well. So it kind of double does to take care of you so you can keep sailing with a smile on your face. Item number 5 is laundry detergent strips. I didn't even know these were available until I started cruising. And look, they take up no space. How are these a game changer? You bring that one dress shirt, you planned on wearing it night after night, and you get a stain on it that first night. What are you gonna do? You just take one of these, they break off in little strips, put this in the sink in your cabin's bathroom. You can wash that shirt and hang it to dry, and you're good to go for the next formal night. Number 6 is an MVP for any cruise, and that is Ziploc bags. And I'm gonna give you 5 ways that you can use Ziploc bags, either the gallon size or the sandwich size. Number 1, wet swimsuits after the hot tub or pool. Number 2, protecting your phone from water and sand during beach excursions or rain when you're in Alaska. Number 3, keeping snacks fresh that you grab from the buffet for later, and this may include a couple of cookies. Number 4, organizing small items like jewelry, charging cables, and medicine so that nothing gets lost in your suitcase. And number 5, it's great for double bagging toiletries so that a pressure leak doesn't ruin your formal night outfit. I pack at least 10 of these in different sizes. They're the Swiss Army knife of cruising. Number 7 is a travel umbrella. Look how small that one is, and it's so lightweight, you hardly even notice it in your luggage or in your day bag when you're out on excursions. It's a must-have when you're in Alaska because it rains all the time in Alaska. And you know what? You're gonna want it for those warm weather cruises as well. Think about it. You're standing in line for an excursion with the sun beating down on you. You just pop up the umbrella and you're nice and shaded. Item number 8 may surprise you. This is one of those insider hacks that people don't think about, and that's Post-it notes. I always bring Post-it notes for many reasons. One reason is it's an easy way to label your cabin. So just put a couple of these outside your cabin door with a heart or a smiley face or with nothing at all. And when you're walking down those long corridors where all the rooms look the same, you'll quickly be able to spot yours. Another reason why I like these is because they're a way to write a quick note to your cabin steward. Let's just say you want extra eyes, an extra pillow, things like that. You can just make a quick note, leave it out, and your room steward will have it ready for you when you come back to your room. Item number 9 is a foldable brimmed hat. Now this again, look how small that folds up to bring in your bags. Now why is this helpful? Obviously, if you're on a sunny cruise, it protects you from the sun. But I'm gonna give you a secret Alaska tip for how this works great to keep your face from getting full of rain. When you pair the rim with a good rain jacket, it acts like a shield that keeps the water right off of your face and glasses, something a hood alone just cannot do. I bought this hat years ago and it's been on every cruise since. And you know, honestly, items like this, practical gear, make great gifts. And if you're shopping for someone who's a first-time cruiser, or maybe you're a first-time cruiser yourself, I put together this video that has 16 items that you'll actually use on your next cruise. Click right there, next. Happy sailing!